15, 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. It's 40, 6 right, 130. 40, 6 right, 130. 6 left long, into 4 left plus, past junction. 6 left long, into 4 left plus, past junction. 200 up middle. 4 here. 200 up middle. 6 right. 60. 3 left plus, past junction. 3 left plus, past junction. Into 6 right, continues for 150. Get through there. 6 right, continues for 150. Into 1 left plus, past junction. 1 left plus, past junction. 60. 60, 2 left plus. 40. 6 right long. 60 downhill. 3 left don't cut, 2 right. 60 downhill. 3 left don't cut, 2 right. And 5 right long. And 5 right long. 40. 5 left. 5 left here. 100 downhill. Slippy ahead. Caution left into 1 right. Don't cut past lay-by. Watch him. 1 right. Don't cut past lay-by. And 3 left plus. Don't cut. 200 downhill. Turn hairpin right. Turn hairpin right. Go on. Good lad, good lad. 130. 4 left over crest. And downhill, double caution, 2 right. Double caution, 2 right. Into hairpin left long. Tightens are round junction and barrier inside. Remember, he tightens here. Yeah, barrier inside. 80. Tidy. 80. 3 right tightens into turn hairpin right. 3 right tightens into turn hairpin right. Turn hairpin right. Go on, go on, go on, go on, go on. 100. 4 right past shed. 40. 4 right. 4 right past shed. 40. 4 right. 40. 4 left through dip. 40. Small crest. Into 4 left. Opens and continues for 100. 4 left opens and continues. And 1 right. 2 right, sorry. 2 right. 60. 6 right over flat crest. 150, double caution, small crest, into 1 right tightens through dip, double caution, small crest, into 1 right tightens through dip. 100 up middle, 2 left plus long, don't cut, 150, 2 left plus long, don't cut, 150, 6 left at bench, 80, 6 left at bench, 80, 6 left over small crest, 40, care, 5 right, 40, care, 5 right, and 3 left tightens through dip, don't cut. 3 left tightens through dip, don't cut. And 6 right over flat crest, 130, 5 right tightened, and 5 left continues but at 18. 5 left continues for 80, and 3 left. 5 left continues for 80, and 3 left here. And 2 right tightens over crest, don't cut. Opened into 6 right long, 80 downhill, 2 left late, 40. 2 left late, 40s. 4 left, tight, 170, let her have it, go on. Small crest slowing, 40 downhill, turn square left, don't cut. Turn square left, don't cut. And 4 right, don't cut. And 4 right, don't cut, 60, turn hairpin left. 60, turn hairpin left. Get through there, good lad, good lad. And 5 right, and 6 left over flat crest, 250. 6 left over flat crest, 250. 4 left, 3 right long, late. 4 left, 3 right long, late. 3 right long, late. Keep her out. 80, 6 right. 80, slippy ahead, loose, 2 right. Into 3 right, opens and continues for 100. 3 right, opens and continues for 100. 80, caution, hairpin left opens. 80, caution, hairpin left opens. 200 up middle. 6 right over crest jump. 6 right plus over crest jump. 40, 6 left long over crest. 40, 6 left long over crest. 130 down middle. Caution, 1 right long tightens, deceptive, watch him. 40. Double caution, 1 right, tightens over crest, drop outside. Double caution, 1 right, tightens over crest, drop outside. 40, hairpin left, into 2 left. Hairpin left into 2 left, 3 right, plus, into 5 left, 3 right plus, into 5 left, 40, 6 left, 60, caution, 5 right tightens over crest bump, drop outside, 5 right tightens over crest bump, drop outside, 40, small crest middle, 5 right long, into 3 right, don't cut, into 3 right, don't cut, 150 up middle, 6 right long, 170, 6 left plus, 170, 6 left plus, 6 right long here, 170, 6 left plus, 200, 6 right over crest jump at lane, 6 right over crest jump at lane, 250, 250, well done, crest jump, stay middle, 100, caution, 6 right into middle through post, into turn, hairpin left, slippy, 6 right into middle through post, into turn, hairpin left, slippy, 60, well done mate, you're driving well, 60, 6 left plus, 150, 6 left plus, 150, 5 left, 40, 6 left into caution, 5 right slowing, 40, 2 right stumps inside, 5 right slowing, 40, 2 right stumps inside, and 2 left, and 2 left, and caution, turn square left into 2 right, come on, caution into 2 right, 2 right plus, 60, double caution, 2 left deceptive tightens into hairpin left, very slippy, hairpin double caution, 2 left tightens into hairpin left, very slippy, and hairpin right over finish. Right. Hairpin right finish. Yeah. 3 right over crest bump, 2 right stop. She was slippy, wasn't she? Yeah. Fucking hell. Well done though, mate.